Let's go to the sports meet! Wacky, why are you flying? My ice cream! Put your seatbelt on, or you'll fall forward if the bus stops suddenly. Okay. Please put the seatbelt on me. I won't fall now.
The pushcart contest is starting soon. Let's hurry and practice.
Pushcart! Pushcart! Cute Bucky is here! Pushcart! Let's go for first place! Here? The cart? I got it! Ready! Go! Little bear, why didn't you follow the push cart? How do you stop the bear from falling off the cart? Put some stones in the bear's pocket. Put a seatbelt on the bear. Please select one. Wear a seatbelt. Ready! Go! The bear and the pushcart move forward together. And they stopped together. The seatbelt really helps. But I want to try the stones. Ready! Go! Wow, it worked! Oh, the bear is thrown out of the cart. You are so smart. Let's go to the contest.
Welcome to the pushcart contest. Who will be the first to get the bear to the finish line? 3, 2, 1, go!
Slide to help me move.
Wacky is lagging behind the... Wacky has passed Rocky. Wacky has also passed Buffy. Buffy has picked up speed and passed Wacky again. The race is now halfway through, and it's time for the obstacle course. Nice! Wacky is hot on his heels. Oh no! False alarm! The bear is perfectly safe.
Slide up to avoid the barrier. Slide down, Silver Duck. Give me strength. Let's go.
Where's Rocky? Uh-oh. The cart has hit a barrier and stopped. But the bear is still moving forward due to inertia.
Help me pick up the bear. Help me avoid the barrier.
Come on, Rocky!
I can't hold it anymore. Go! First place. First place. I'll take first place.
Buffy has fallen down. Wacky has passed Buffy and is closing in on the finish line. What? Wacky has just released the cart.
Buffy, are you all right?
The friendship between them is so touching. Look at that! Although Quacky has released the cart, it still continues to move forward because of inertia. Congratulations to Quacky, the winner! Second place goes to Rocky.
Yeah, I can finally go to the bathroom.
The exciting awards ceremony is about to begin. First place, Quacky.
Yeah!